Hello, my name is Zach, and I like to backpack around the world. The other day I was watching one of my videos when I did a bar hop in Cyprus, and I was like, I need to do another one of these videos, even though I kind of did one in Playa del Carmen, although that was not the intent of that video. So it wasn't technically a bar hop video, but it turned into one. So anyways, why not do one of those videos here in my hometown of Memphis, Tennessee? Why wait until I travel? Why not just do it here? I am on Beale Street right now, so let's get this Memphis bar hop nightlife video started. So due to that, this is probably not going to be a bar hop because it would be a very, very, very expensive bar hop if I'm gonna eat every bar that I go to. So anyways, cheers from Memphis, Tennessee. I am drinking on a Ghost River. I think it's just a regular lager, if I'm not mistaken. I've had this beer before, it's very good. This beer, Ghost River, is from right here in Memphis, Tennessee. I do want to do an actual bar hop in my hometown, so whenever they don't have any restrictions, I will be back on Beale Street to do a proper bar hop. I don't know what this video is going to be, probably just a straight up nightlife video. on Beale Street. As you can tell, not too much is happening. It's crazy that Mexico can handle the pandemic better than America, but well, there's not too much happening on Beale Street. In order to drink at a bar, you have to eat at the bar, so on Google it told me a lot of these bars were open, like Coyote Ugly over here, and obviously it's not open, so oh well. Not too much of a video, but a video nonetheless. Well, I'm heading back to my car now. I guess it's a good thing that I didn't do a full-on bar hop, because I did drive here, but if I was going to do a full-on bar hop, I would have at least taken the time to sober up before getting behind the wheel. So there's that. And I'm kind of thinking about going to Southland Gaming and Racing, or I guess it's a casino now, so Southland Casino. Why not? I'm back in my car now, so let's head to Southland Casino and have a good time. I didn't bring too much money with me, so oh well. I'll use the ATM if I absolutely need to, but I don't know, maybe I'll just bet on UFC or something like that. But I do like playing blackjack, so I guess if I need to, I'll use an ATM. All right, and I won't be bringing my GoPro for obvious reasons. You're not allowed to film in casinos. On a cell phone, it looks a little bit more okay, but on an actual camera like this, probably not the best idea. So I'm gonna put this GoPro away, and the next time you see me, I will be at the casino. Well, I just got back to my car. I had a shitty start to my blackjack plan. I was playing on a $15 minimum table at first, and I lost $165, and then I decided this dealer isn't doing it for me because I lost every single hand with her. So I switched to a $10 table, and I went up and down constantly, but with the help of a few blackjacks, splits, and double downs, I ended up leaving Southland Casino with what I came with, so I can't complain too much. At least I didn't go home with less money than I came with, so yeah. I'm sorry this video wasn't as entertaining as I was hoping it would be. I was wanting to make a Barhop video, but with COVID and the pandemic and all that other shit, it wasn't really possible. So, oh well, there's nothing I can do about it, but I hope you enjoyed this video regardless. And yeah, I cannot wait to start traveling again. That's what I love to do. That's what I love to do with my life. And when people tell me to do something different with my life, I'm just like, you do not understand. You do not understand that this is what makes me really fucking happy and keeps me looking forward to something, you know? Yeah, I travel a lot. So what? If I found a job that allows it and I can afford it, okay, so why not? Yeah, I know I need to worry about getting another car in the next year, 2 years, but I will cross that bridge when it comes. I have been a little bit more responsible with my money. I guess coming to a casino doesn't say that, but I've been a lot more responsible with my money. I'm not gonna go, I guess I can. I don't think anyone's gonna come after me, and if they do, oh well. I don't keep my money on me, so you're not gonna get far with robbing me, but you can try, I guess. I shouldn't promote it, but I used to not want to have less than $1,000 in my bank account. Like on my first 2 big trips, international trips, and then it was 2,000. Now it's a little bit more than that. So I do think I'm a little bit more responsible with leaving a good amount of money in my bank account, leave it alone, and then travel with the rest of it, which is enough to cover 3 months or so in Mexico when I go there October 26th. I cannot wait to go back to Mexico October 26th. I am looking so forward to it. All right, well, I'm gonna wrap this video up, or am I? Hold on. This is not a Zach backpacking around the world video if I don't drink a Coke. So let me go by a convenience store or a gas station and grab a Coke. All right, I got my Coke. Cheers from West Memphis, Tennessee. Good night.